Welcome to Peru, the land of the Incas and the headwaters of the mighty Amazon River. On the shores of a major tributary of the river and deep in the Amazon rainforest is the town of Nauta. Nauta is the gateway to a world of luxury travel with a unique twist, an extravagant Amazon River cruise experience with Aqua Expeditions. They have two ships, the Aqua and the newer Aria Amazon. Picture this: lush rainforests, exotic wildlife and the soothing sounds of the river as your backdrop, all while indulging in top-notch amenities and impeccable service. This video will take you on a full tour, giving you a front-row seat to the ultimate blend of opulence and adventure. So, why should you be excited about this video? Well, the Amazon River is a bucket list destination for many travelers, known for its unparalleled biodiversity and breathtaking landscapes. By showcasing the lavish side of cruising through this iconic waterway, we're offering a fresh perspective on how to explore one of the world's most awe-inspiring natural wonders in style. We will also tell you two amazing facts about an Amazon animal, which we feel sure you'll find interesting. So keep watching. In this video, you can expect to see the luxurious accommodations on board Aqua Expeditions river cruise vessels. There are spacious suites, gourmet dining options, and personalized service that caters to your every need. We'll also highlight the unique excursions and activities available during the cruise, from wildlife spotting adventures to guided jungle treks, which provide a glimpse into the rich experiences that await you on this once-in-a-lifetime journey. Whether you're a seasoned luxury traveler looking for your next indulgent escape, or someone who appreciates the finer things in life, this video is sure to inspire and captivate you. Get ready to immerse yourself in the beauty of the Amazon River like never before, as we showcase the epitome of extravagance against the backdrop of one of the world's most iconic natural wonders. In the heart of the Amazon rainforest, where the mighty Amazon River flows, lies a world of wonder waiting to be explored. The concept of extravagant Amazon River cruises has evolved over time, blending the untamed beauty of the rainforest with the comforts of modern luxury. The Amazon River has been a lifeline for indigenous communities, and a source of mystery and intrigue for explorers and adventurers. Navigating its waters was once a rugged and challenging endeavor, reserved for the most intrepid souls willing to brave the unknown. From knowing the intricate network of tributaries to ensuring sustainable practices that protect the delicate ecosystem, there are many factors to consider when embarking on such a journey. However, these challenges also present opportunities to engage with local communities, support conservation efforts, and create unforgettable experiences that leave a positive impact on both travelers and the environment. As we look into the world of Aqua Expeditions and their extravagant Amazon River cruise experience, we invite you to join us on a virtual voyage that showcases the beauty, luxury, and adventure that await those who explore this enchanting region. Now let us guide you through a world where luxury meets nature in the most spectacular way possible. Firstly, there's the unparalleled luxury. Aqua Expeditions offers a one-of-a-kind Amazon River cruise experience that combines the opulence of a luxury hotel with the adventure of exploring the world's largest tropical rainforest. Imagine waking up in a beautifully appointed suite, surrounded by panoramic views of the river and lush jungle, all while enjoying top-notch amenities and personalized service. As we explore the ships, it's evident that no expense has been spared. This ensures the comfort and enjoyment of the guests. From the boutique to the media room to the spa with its waiting area and lavish treatments, and then onto the jacuzzi or infinity pool experiences, Aqua Expeditions pampers its guests every step of the way. But the true magic of Aqua Expeditions lies in the immersive excursions that allow guests to connect with the natural beauty of the Amazon. Whether it's seeing rare wildlife along the riverbanks, enjoying some quiet fishing, spotting wildlife, or trekking through the dense jungle with expert guides in small groups, every excursion is an adventure waiting to unfold. Every day is filled with unique experiences that showcase the natural beauty and wonders of the rainforest. Next, we look at the exquisite dining and cocktail experiences. Indulge in gourmet culinary delights on board, where world-class chefs prepare delectable dishes using locally sourced ingredients. From traditional Amazonian flavors to international cuisine, each meal is a culinary journey that tantalizes the taste buds and showcases the diverse flavors of the region. To complement your dining, the barman will whisk you up your favorite cocktail or after-dinner drink. If you're inspired by the beauty and luxury of the Amazon River cruise experience, please like and subscribe to our channel for more captivating travel content. Sustainable travel is especially important in the delicate surroundings of the Amazon. Aqua Expeditions is committed to sustainable travel practices that minimizes their environmental impact. For example, the ship has its own water treatment plant and engines that meet strict environmental standards. By supporting local communities and implementing eco-friendly initiatives, guests can feel good knowing that their luxury experience is also contributing to the preservation of this unique ecosystem. You'll come away from this cruise with unforgettable memories. Whether it's watching a vibrant sunset over the river, encountering rare wildlife in their natural habitat, or simply relaxing on deck, surrounded by the sights and sounds of the rainforest, an Aqua Expeditions Amazon River cruise promises to create memories that will last a lifetime. Pink Amazon river dolphins are only found in the Amazon and Orinoco rivers. The two amazing facts about them are: 1, they can change their color. 2, they have the largest bodies and brains of any freshwater dolphin and can grow up to 9 feet and weigh 400 pounds. It's a journey that combines luxury, adventure, and nature in a way that truly immerses you in the magic of the Amazon. Please let us know in the comments below what other elegant escapes you'd like to see on this channel. Our journey through Aqua Expeditions' extravagant Amazon River cruise experience has been nothing short of mesmerizing. It is a truly exceptional way to experience the wonders of the Amazon River in unparalleled luxury. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour of Aqua Expeditions' extravagant Amazon River cruise experience. Until next time, keep exploring and dreaming. Now watch our next video.